Hey, what's poppin', ladies and gentlemen? Today, I got some news. We moved out to Alabama, this week or last week. What was it, last week? Yeah, last week. And, we found this creek. We've already caught a few fish. I'll post on my Instagram, which y'all can go follow down below. I got a little tiny hook that we're gonna get, catch these fish on. Oh, got one. Look at that. Hey, I wasn't kidding when I said super tiny. Yeah, I wasn't kidding. Yeah, live bait fishing. Dude, this thing's tiny. Oh, almost got finned. Don't want to get finned. Finned hurts. I don't even know if this little guy could eat that worm. Look at this little guy, man. Tell you what, golly. See that? Man, the colors on that are beautiful. I don't quite remember what the name of these fish are. I know it's speckled something. Sunfish, probably. I don't know. Is that a dead fish? So, I'm gonna put on another worm real quick. Because this worm is just. I might catch another one on it. Oh, ouch. Got the hook in my butt.
Technical difficulties.
Definitely gonna use the same worm. Let's see if I can get a side cast in. Maybe I can. It's just not enough weight. Like super tiny hook catches super tiny fish.
Oh.
Get cast out there. Look the bail. Oh, what's that one? Oh, worm's still there. A little bit of it. Terrible cast. Terrible. Yeah. Oh, dang. Thought I had one. I did. Did have one. Hold on. Alright, we're gonna put on another worm. Reapply the sunscreen. And it's almost dark out, which we'll have to be making our way back soon, so yeah, take a look around at this beautiful water. It's a nice little creek. I think it's called the Black Creek. Look it up if I want to come and fish it anytime soon. Which I'm like positive you're not going to catch huge fish in here. I mean, you never know. There could be deep pools back there. Of course, we've only
We only walked
a little bit of this pond. Yeah. It's a nice little pond. Yeah, same pond. Like and subscribe.
I was his #1 subscriber.
Yeah. So, we're not going to be using
fish, it was just a leaf.
We're not going to be using too big of worms because small fish, small bait, obviously. Think about that big. That's how big of a worm. Y'all see that? Big of a worm on this tiny of a hook. I don't even know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see that? That's
Yeah.
Small tiny hook. Yeah. But yeah, if you find a deep enough hole in a creek, then you're gonna find life. I'm
doing some sick camera angles.
Yeah, worm bits. It's all good. I thought I was gonna need the sunglasses. I thought I was gonna come out here with the sun. Then, whatever. I don't know. I just don't even know. Stop talking here and fish. Oh. Dang it.
Oof.
Yeah. Cast it out there again. Decent cast. Wow, this is the longest it's taken all day. So I'm going to not cast that far. I'm sorry, dude, I'm telling you, I've been catching fish out here. That's really as far as I can. Some have it. Oh, some.
You missed it.
Dude, I missed another one. I missed another one. I missed another one, dude. Well, ain't no worm on there. Man,
It's a beautiful day out
should
here.
have started recording a little bit sooner. My fault, my fault. Don't want your bait to fall out.
Just a heads up, if you go deeper, it gets like 4 to 5 feet deep.
Oh. Thanks.
Where are you going? Oh.
4 to 5 feet deep. That's bass territory right there. Wow.
Wow.
We'll have to come out here for another video for that. For another,
We got some people coming over here.
fishing's a very popular sport. Well, so far I can't get the worm on.
Bunch of kids coming over here.
Fishing. Fun sport. Man, this worm is tough.
So now we know it gets a lot deeper.
That's good. That's like 4 to 5 feet bass territory. Which, that's pretty good.
Well, we're gonna have to come back.
Yeah. Come back for that. That's another whole nother video. But what if 5 feet deep, dude?
I'm just out here in the water trying to get.
I just can't get that worm to go any further. Let it. Oh, it's taking. Oh. I gotta let it take it. What? Dude, what? What? What, dude?
Ooh.
What is this? There we go. There we go. That's a fish. Man.
Is that
Awesome.
bigger? That's a lot bigger.
This may be the biggest one of the day. Maybe the biggest one of the day. Don't know. Might be the biggest one. Not a bad fish. Gosh, dude, I'm just in love with the color of these fish. Ow.
Dang.
Hooked this one pretty good.
It's a. worst cameraman ever, but
Nice fish. Bait it on. We're gonna get a good release on this baby.
what a nice release.
Yeah, thanks to that kid for giving us that information. Pretty good.
Shout out to him.
Dope information right there. I still can't believe that. It really 4 to 5 feet? That's deep, dude. Oh, okay. We're playing with it. And I got it. Oh, I lost it for a second. That may be the smallest. No.
Ugh.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. Ooh, this one almost got hooked in the eye. That was gross. Ow. Well,
He's in the woods.
terrifying. Oh, this guy's gonna be blind.
Are you gonna show them the fish?
I can't show that on YouTube.
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna be blind.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Poor
I'm
fish.
sorry. I'm sorry.
We'll be right back. Just enjoy all this. Oh, there he goes.
He's gonna be blind.
Alright.
But
You caught
yeah,
one.
I caught one. And dude, that sucks. I hate when that happens. I feel like so bad. Oh, I just feel so bad for like
Ruining that fish's
ruining
life.
their eyesight. Oh. My hook got wrapped around the tip of my rod.
More technical difficulties.
Alright, let's do this. Let's get this done right. Someone's playing with it. Ooh. Someone's playing. What the freak was that, dude? What was that?
That didn't sound good.
Dude, what was that?
Maybe we should end the video here.
Dude, what was that? I don't know, bro. Dude. We moving over there.
Alright, I'm gonna go take us.
Dude, I don't know what that was. That freaking scared me.
Where it was over there. I don't know.
We probably gotta go back home anyway.
Yep.
I don't live by myself,
So it's the end of it? Not yet.
No, it's not. About to get a cooking up over here.
Look at that.
Hearing some dang noises in the woods next to me. I ain't with that. I ain't finna get murdered.
I'm watching too many horror. It's beautiful out here.
I bet all this fish weighed at least 5 kilos. 5 ounces. Probably not even 5 ounces. So there's another hole that I saw some fish in. I don't know if y'all can hear that squeaking. Oh gosh. I'm gonna be heard throughout the whole state of Alabama.
But that was creepy.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all heard that. But it sounded like, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
Sounded like a tree
It's kind of
fell.
scary. But yeah, we're gonna go farther back one day with that. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be farther back with some steel spinning combo, but with some like smaller bass lures and live bait. Obviously, you can't hate live bait. There's no hating live bait. It works every time. You can get it in your backyard or your front yard. I got mine.
It's free.
I'm starting a worm farm in my backyard. Just moved in. Yeah. Set up shop right here. See if we can get anything. I have a better casting range here. Got a better casting range. Put a worm on. Yeah. Hold on. Try to get one more. Fortunate news. Our dog died. No.
Ah.
We gotta go, but I'm gonna try catching a few more fish. Yeah. Try catching a few more right here, because as you can see, we don't have any trees behind us that prevents me from not being able to cast the distance I need. I probably still. Oh, I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I guess we're drop shotting now. There we go. Sorry for the terrible content. Still not able to edit. Oh, it's fine with it. Heck, dude. How'd I get a leaf?
Don't
My
know.
worm fell off, I think. No, dude. Yo, there's a fish right here. Yo, look at it. Dude, I'm sight fishing these guys. What? I got another leaf, dude.
Instead of
What?
Bassmaster, you're the Leaf Master.
They're looking at it. I think I still got a little bit of worm on there. Oh, worm is gone. Wow. And also, make sure you pack enough worms with you. I still have enough, but you know, a tip, make sure you do. Because you never know when you might run out.
Tip of the day, make sure you pack enough worms.
Yep. Or, you know, live bait
Yeah.
in general. If I catch another fish, press the white circle button. You see it next to the stop button? That takes a picture. So press that whenever. A little bit deeper of an area. Oh, keep that. Watch it going down. Yeah, you freaking hit that, dude. Can you see? Is it bright enough?
Sort of.
Sorta. Good enough?
Good enough.
Sorta good enough? Sorta good enough?